what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited for today's video. I've partnered today with FabFitFun to unbox their new summer edition box. This is it right here. Isn't it gorgeous? I am so excited. I already peeked in it a little. I saw some Tarte. I saw some really good stuff. I cannot wait to see what else is inside. If you don't know about FabFitFun, it is a subscription box that comes 4 times a year, so it is seasonal. So 4 times a year, you will get this huge box filled with full-size items. Everything is always full size. The value is always over $250 worth of product for only $49.99. You get items that were specifically selected for you at that time of year, like during fall, winter, spring. There's stuff for each season, like scarves and coffee cups and just like the cutest little things to go with your season, and they're always super on trend. If you guys want to sign up for FabFitFun, again, I will link it down below. I also have a $10 off coupon code for you guys. It'll get you $10 off of your subscription. Just use the code SHAE at checkout, and again, that will be linked down below. And something new FabFitFun is starting. You can now actually customize your box, which is really cool. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box. Let's go ahead and get started. I love the box designs always, but I think this one is super duper cute. Again, 4 times a year, this big baby. It has beauty, fashion, wellness, lifestyle items, just pretty much everything we need to survive each season. So again, this is the summer edition box, like I said before. I love the detail of this box always. So this comes in your box and it looks like a magazine. Like it looks like a really high-end fashion magazine, but it's actually showing you everything that came in your box, how you use it, the prices, tips on the product. So the very first thing I see in my box, I believe is actually a towel. It looks super cute. It's called Summer and Rose, and this retails for $55. So this itself is already more expensive than our actual box of all these goodies. And these are actually microfiber towels, so the sand won't stick to them, which I love. You guys know I go to the Jersey Shore every summer, and it is a pain bringing all that sand back into your bag and into your car and in your trunk, and it gets into your house and it just never leaves. So these microfiber towels are essential. This is literally so big, I can't even show you guys what it looks like. It is gorgeous though. Do you see all that color? A perfect summer beach towel. Again, 55 bucks. This is not cheap, but we just got it in our box. So the next thing I see is actually jewelry. I love when we get jewelry. So this is by Earth to Yo ring. It's a 14 karat gold plated ring. It features 2 naturally cultured freshwater pearls. Oh my gosh! And this is $55. How pretty is this? I feel like an actual living mermaid right now. I love it! Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, is this not the cutest? Again, 14 karat gold plated ring. You're gonna wanna keep this out of the water and away from your lotions so you can keep it really nice. But literally 2 naturally cultured freshwater pearls on a ring. 55 bucks came in our box. This box is literally turning me into the Little Mermaid right now. I am so excited about this. I'm gonna wear this all summer. I love this because of course you could wear it all summer, but it also would look really pretty around the holiday season as well. Like you can't go wrong with pearls. Like pearls are just never a bad choice. I'm gonna leave this on because I'm so excited. Let's see what else we have. What is this? Something from Pier 1? Pier 1's not cheap. I'll have you know. Oh my god, it's a marble dish ring. I just read on the freaking little magazine. It is a Oh! This is possibly my most favorite thing we've ever received in the FabFitFun boxes. I'm gonna put my little engagement ring right in there and my pearl ring. How beautiful is this? From Pier 1. That's a really nice high-end, like, you know, furniture store, an accessory store. I love this. This will cost you $14.99 if you wanted to buy it, you know, on its own, but you can just get it in our box this summer. I love this so much. It's a beautiful marble design. You have some nice gold trim, and all my jewelry is going on that after I'm done filming. That is adorable. I love that. Now, what is this? This is expensive. I can see in the little magazine that it is expensive. This is the Foreo Luna Fofo Facial Cleansing Brush. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is what it says in the little magazine. It says, guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on the Foreo's newest revolutionary device. So literally, if you got the FabFitFun summer box, you're one of the first to try this product. That's insanely cool. This retails for $89. $89! Like, that's insane. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. So use this with an app and it cleans your face. Oh, listen to all does. It measures your skin moisture. It reveals skin's age. It customizes a cleaning routine just for you. I might do a whole video just on this, letting you guys know how it is, because that just sounds crazy to me. I can't believe it does all that, and we're the first to try it in our FabFitFun box. This is the coolest. If you guys have your boxes already, if you've tried this out yet, I see Tarte! This is the Tarteist Pro To Go shadow palettes. Oh, and it actually comes with their liquid liner, their Sex Kitten liquid liner. Holy crap, you guys. We got some good Tarte in this box. This is what the shadow palette looks like. It's so cute. You could just throw this right in your bag, take it with you on the weekend, a little weekend getaway. Those are pretty colors too. Plus the liquid liner. So these together will retail $43, which is amazing. You're getting them both in your box. Their shadows really are so soft. But look at these swatches. First of all, that liquid liner is as black as they come. I love it. And those shadows are highly, highly pigmented. They feel like butter. I've always said Tarte has some of the best eyeshadows ever. They are so soft, so creamy, blendable, pigmented, everything you could want. And it came in our box. We have a whole little going out set. I'm so excited. I'm gonna keep this stuff actually like right in my going away bag so that I always have it if I need it. Oh, I love this brand. I would swear by this when I worked at a store that sold it. Back in the day when I worked at a beauty store, I would sell out of this every shift during the summertime because I could not get enough of it, and I made everyone fall in love with it. It is the Kula Classic Sunscreen SPF 50. This is the sport one. Kula is an amazing brand for like sun care stuff, you know, sunscreens, tanning things. Like, they have everything in the world you need for under the sun. From farm to face, it's water resistant for 80 minutes. So this is an awesome, ooh, white tea moisturizer. Ooh, it smells so good. Just, it like shower fresh, that's all. Literally zero sunscreen scent. There's no sunscreen scent in this whatsoever. It just smells showery fresh, like a fresh rain. Oh, it's a beautiful scent. Oh my gosh, I love this brand. The next, oh, I don't even have this. I love this brand though. This is Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. You guys know I'm crazy about peels. I'm very excited about this. $45. This is a $45 skin peel. It's actually a rinse-off cream made with exfoliating papaya and nourishing milk proteins. Also with vitamin E, and it all works together to leave your skin super soft, revitalized, and radiant, which is, of course, what I need. Hello. I've been so textured, so this is really something I need to try. Oh, that papaya. That papaya smells amazing, you guys. Oh, I love it. I better not leave it on too long since it is a peel. I'm not trying to peel my hands, but ladies, you can use peels on your hands. Obviously, your hands and your neck are like the first things to show aging, so it's never a bad idea to do a little treatment on your hands. I just don't need it right now. Oh, that smell, it smells so good. This has been so exciting that like I'm actually frizzing up. Like, I am so hot. A straw? Okay, there's a lot going on. I have two things left. So I think either someone who was packing my box left their fast food straw in my box, or this was meant to be in there. This straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. Oh, it's a reusable straw. Well, this is very important. I've actually stopped using bendy straws myself. I've been using aluminum and like, you know, just reusable plastic straws for a while now. So that's what this is. And there's little turtles on it. This is something we can all do, is cut down our straw intake. This is something I really want to look into and see if I can like help get behind it more, because I do feel passionately about this. And then the very last thing I see here, I believe, is a wallet. This is by Minor History. How cute is this? Gold and peach? Are you kidding? It doesn't get much better than gold and peach. Oh, this is exactly what I need for the beach. It's just a perfect little pocket. You can hold your ID in there, a little debit card, a little cash, what have you. Perfect for the beach. It's not too big, so it won't be obvious like laying on the sand or laying in your bag. Someone won't grab it because it's just cutesy little. You can slip this easy into anything. Minor History. I want to see what else they have. I think this is the cutest little wallet. I'm so sad my box is over. I can keep going all day. Luckily, it comes out every season, like I said, 4 times a year, so we're not without a new box. It's just like Christmas, you know what I mean? It feels like Christmas 4 times a year, or your birthday, or whatever you celebrate where you get lots of gifts. Again, if you guys want to check out FabFitFun, I will link it down below along with my coupon code for $10 off. Thank you, FabFitFun, for partnering with me on this video and allowing me to unbox your box. That sounded weird, but this has been a great time. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes, because there are some things we could have got differently. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day and an awesome time, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!